I said I would never buy this Dior bag, but I panic purchased it. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing it together and I'm going to be sharing why I changed my mind. Hey everyone, Steph here. If you are new to this channel and love all things luxury, you, my friend, are in exactly the right place because we get it and not everyone does. So make sure you join us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell down below. Dior, Dior, Dior. Okay, I have a few thoughts on Christian Dior as a brand in general, and one of those is that they do really unique pieces that I'm starting to look at more and more, hence why this is here today. Slightly apprehensive about unboxing this for obvious reasons. We'll see how we get on. But I also think Dior can be slightly overpriced. The reason being is the resale value of Dior doesn't hold itself so well. So it's been a brand that I've kind of admired mostly from afar, but it is one that I'm looking at more and more, specifically because they do pieces that I think are completely different to other fashion houses, and this is one of them. Now, I can't wait to get your thoughts on this. Is it a keeper or a return? Please do let me know in the comments down below. Now, before we unbox this beautiful Dior bag, hopefully it's a beautiful Dior bag, we have some incredible pieces to unbox from LilySilk. I would like to say a huge thank you to LilySilk for sponsoring this part of today's video, and they've also given me some discount codes. So let me share them with you before we do the unboxing so you know what discounts you can get. You can get 12% off everything site-wide with my code STEPHS12. And they've also got a special sale where you can get women's apparel and sleepwear. Buy one, get one 25% off. The code is STEPHS25 for that offer. All the details will be down below in the description box, as well as links to all the pieces we are about to unbox and try on together. I will be trying the Dior bag on with some of these items as well to give you an idea of what they look like teamed with a beautiful designer bag. With no further ado, let's unbox what we got from LilySilk. Wow, I'm so excited to open these. So here we have a little note from LilySilk, and it is worth noting, not all silk is created equally. LilySilk are committed to premium silk products made from only the best mulberry silk. The silk is sourced from mulberry trees that require less water than cotton to grow. They always use natural fibers instead of synthetic, and they go to great lengths to make sure the products are clean and toxin free. They're also part of worldwide known TerraCycle, which is a recycling company committed to zero waste production. So when you buy from LilySilk, you know that they also care about zero waste, the environment, as well as your skin and health and well-being. So first up, we're going to start with this small little box here. And I know what's inside because I already have one of these and I just absolutely love the colours. Here we go. I love all the packaging. These are like beautiful as gifts as well if you want to gift something to someone, especially a fellow bag lover when you see what this is. So it is a gorgeous mulberry silk ribbon, which you can use as a twilly on your bag. I would put it on the Dior bag, but look at the shine of it. This is in rosy pink and it's like a dusty pink. It is just the most gorgeous shade. Here we have a larger item. So this is an item of clothing, and it's one that I've actually had my eye on for quite some time because this could be an absolute game changer. You will see why in a second. Here it is. Look at this navy blazer with gold buttons. This is very Balmain-esque for a fraction of the price. Let's put it on and see what I think. I can say the weight of this blazer. Honestly, it really does feel like the Balmain blazer. I have a black one, but this navy is gorgeous with all the gold buttons. You've got like little sailboat details on there. We're getting like nautical vibes with this one. I'm loving it. Just everything feels so brilliant. Like the way that it's cut is fantastic. I ordered a size 4, which is a UK size 8 to 10, and it fits really, really nicely. You can do the buttons up and wear it like this. As you can see, it cinches in around the waist, like the cut of it is fantastic. You can also have it undone for a more casual look. I've teamed this with a white silk blouse, which we'll see in a second, and some black trousers. So versatile. They have quite a few colours of this blazer as well. So I'll be honest, I don't think I'll be purchasing from Balmain again, just LilySilk. On to the next item. Now, I'm loving the little bow details on the box. So cute. Now, I'm very excited for this. Oh my gosh, I saw this. So this is called colour Jade Green. and it's exceptional. The camera does not do it justice. Look at the shine this green has. This is probably my favorite green item I think I've ever seen, and I'm obsessed with green right now. So if you are too, this is a must. It comes in lots of other colours as well. I ordered this blouse in a size M, which is a medium, because I wanted a slightly oversized fit. I don't want it to be too fitted. I love these because they come with this tie, so you can tie it in a simple knot like this and just leave it dangling down for a more casual, relaxed look. It's so gorgeous. Like if I went for the small, this would definitely be more fitted, but I like oversized. Here I've tied it in a little bow, and you can also tie it obviously higher up as like a pussy bow blouse. And this is great for work. So these blouses will take you from the workplace to the evening. Just undo the bow and you just get a completely different like look. Oh, this jade green. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. It's so bright and gorgeous. On to the next package here. We can already see the incredible colour. The colour of this is copper, and it is a full length skirt. Wow. I already have a top in this colour copper from LilySilk. It is exceptional. I love it. And as soon as I saw this skirt, I had to have it in this colour. It also comes in black. The silk and this colour is just so stunning. It's got like a wrap around here. You can wear it with a crop top, t-shirt. Perfect. Super lightweight because it's silk. It's so gorgeous the way that it catches the light. You've got some ruching at the back as well. Just look at this, the shape is so flattering. I ordered this in a size 4. As you can see, it's full length here, but we do have a little bit of a slit at the front. I'm loving it. It fits perfectly. I'm a UK size 8 to 10. And yeah, it's so gorgeous. Like this on holiday, I'm going away soon, is going to look absolutely sensational. And when I have fallen in love with something, I tend to buy it more than once. So here we have one of the final packages. It is the blouse again, but this time in white. And again, just the silk, like the quality of the silk, the way that it reflects the light. This is an absolute wardrobe essential. As well as the jade green, I'm just loving the white because it's just going to go with everything. You can team it with any different colour. You could go simple here if you like monochrome. I just love the tie as well. So you can do it like this, so it's more casual. Tie it higher for the workplace. Looks a little bit more, you know, ready for the boardroom kind of style-esque here, if that is what you like. So yeah, this is a really versatile piece. Again, I ordered a size medium for a larger fit, but if you want a more fitted size, go for your true size. And finally, we have here a very special piece. This is a collaboration between the famous Japanese artist Mika Ninagwa with LilySilk. They have produced some very special designs which you can now purchase on the site and use my discount code. But look at this. I'm very excited to see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at the colours on this sleeping mask with all the flowers. This is amazing. As we know already, silk is so good to sleep on. It protects your hair. It means your skincare stays on your face. It is lightweight. It is cooling. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to wear this. If you travel a lot, this will be an essential item for sure. Happy 12th anniversary to LilySilk. I always love partnering with them because the clothes and the sleepwear, just everything, the pillows, the bedding is exceptional. You might have noticed already that I'm wearing my emerald green blouse tucked into a pair of trousers. Guys, we are ready to go. It's hot in the UK right now, surprisingly. It's not usually. And this blouse is so lightweight, like, oh, it's just so comfortable. It feels so nice on the skin. I cannot recommend LilySilk's products enough. And be sure to use the 12% off discount code to celebrate their anniversary that they have passed on to you beautiful luxury lovers. I will flash it on the screen down below. You can use that one site-wide. You can also buy one, get one 25% off with my code STEPHS25 on women's apparel and sleepwear. Thanks again so much to LilySilk for sponsoring this part of today's video. Now let's unbox my new Dior bag. Okay, this one has been on my mind for quite some time and I panic purchased it because there was a recent Dior price increase. Because I'm last minute, I bought this hours before the price increase. Now, the increase on this particular bag wasn't as severe as I thought it would be. I will share the before and after prices. You can also check out the blog on the Handbagholic website. I'll pop a link up here for you and down below so that you can see, because I document the before and after prices of all their key styles of bags, if you want to take a look at that. But with no further ado, let's take a look at my Dior panic purchase. Here we go. So I have seen this in real life. I do know what it looks like. However, I have not really been able to try it on with my wardrobe, and yeah, I'm excited / a little bit apprehensive to receive this bag here. A long time coming, I think. So here it is. We have a little box here. Ooh, that comes with the bag. This might be a clue for anyone who already has this bag. Okay, undoing the tissue paper. I always love this part. I like to savour it. And here we have beautiful Dior dust bag. I like how simple they are. We've got the gold Dior on the front. The moment of truth. Here we go. Here she is. This will be my first, if I keep it, my first Dior bag in my collection. Brand new. It is the small ABC Lady Dior in the matte black Diamond Motif. Okay, it is the bag that as soon as I saw it on the website, we went straight to London and tried it. I did like it, but I was just a little bit unsure, and I had just purchased my Chanel trendy bag, but I could not stop thinking about this bag. You know, when you just find one of those, that is this bag. Let's just take this little pouch off the front here and reveal the Dior charm. I do like the Dior charm on the front. Again, this is in all matte black. I have asked a few people and they have said that theirs hasn't chipped. So I'm hoping that it doesn't, because it is, like I say, it is a matte and it kind of feels like maybe it will, but who knows. This one has a leather like roll top here, which is very strange. I've not had any other bags with this, obviously quite unique to Dior, but the leather one is so much softer than the one on the D-Light bag that I previously had and returned. Like, it's so much easier to open. It is lined with suede. Here is the strap. It's black. Again, we've got all the matte black hardware on there, which I'm absolutely loving. And then in this little box should be the charms, which you can slide onto the strap. So I went for my initials and a B. I'm not sure why. I just like the look of it. There wasn't like a whole range of ones to choose from other than letters. So yeah, trying to put the S on here and it's not having any of it. I managed to just get the B on, but it's not like, it's a snug fit, guys. Just managed to kind of scrape that onto the leather there. Not sure about that. I need to figure that out. How beautiful is this though? You can attach it to the things and then crossbody it. So if you watch my unboxing of the D-Light bag, I also ordered the Zodiac Twilly from Dior. Now, I did not return this because I decided it's one of the prettiest twillies I've ever seen and I want to keep it. And do you know what? It goes perfectly, or I think it will, with this bag. It's black and white. Oh, I absolutely love it. I just think the detail is gorgeous. There's Christian Dior here. There are obviously numerous different ways that you can actually put a twilly onto a bag. But just to protect the leather on the handles and to kind of just add a little bit extra to this one, I kind of feel like the Zodiac Twilly is like a really great choice. So if you're debating this Lady Dior bag, highly recommend. Please ignore my really bad like twilly tying skills here. I've just done it really quickly. I also quite like it as just like a bow, but I need to like work out how to do a pretty bow with this twilly. I've also got here the silk ribbon that we got sent from LilySilk. This is in the rose colour, like a dusty pink. And it's beautiful. I quite like, again, another clash of narratives here. We have a really feminine, beautiful pink colour. And then we have like the hard edginess of the Lady Dior Diamond Motif bag. I'm just liking that clash. If you wanted to, you know, make this bag a little bit more feminine, I think this could be a great way to do it. Really cost effective. These silk ribbons from LilySilk are a lot cheaper than the ones from Christian Dior, just saying. Okay, I did promise that I would try the bag on so you could kind of see the size and what it looks like. So here it is with the blouse that we got, the white one from LilySilk. I love it. Look, this is a super simple outfit, but it just demonstrates how versatile this bag is. And then also with colour, I actually think it looks better with the colour and the white trousers. What does everyone think? But yeah, I'm super excited to keep styling this Dior bag. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram if you'd like to see more styling inspo. Here she is. What does everyone think? My small Lady Dior Diamond Motif in the matte black colour. Okay, so I shared why I panic purchased it. And one of the reasons that I actually decided to take the plunge and buy this bag is that I really like the clash of narratives around this bag, okay? It's like a classic Dior bag. It is the Lady Dior. It was designed for Princess Diana, okay? We have royal roots. We have royal roots with this bag. I love that. I love that story. But she looks like she's just walked out of a rock concert. That is what this bag looks like. It is the edgiest Lady Dior bag I think I've ever seen. Now, obviously, I've put the LilySilk tie on here. You can get these in white and black as well. But I really like the fact like the pink makes this look more feminine. But let me take it off so you can see the bag a bit more. Here we go. No twilly on. I think I can get over the handle situation. Like, I still don't love them, but I mean, they're not too obnoxious on this bag. And I'm just loving like the raised leather. Now, I said at the start of this video, one of the reasons I did actually decide to take the plunge on this one again is because it's quite different from what you can get from other fashion houses. And I have never seen another fashion house do this kind of raised leather, like this almost like studded leather. It looks like, a few people have said like, is it a plastic? I think it's probably like coated, but it's definitely a leather bag. Like, it is a full leather bag. This is like a treated leather, and it's amazing that they've been able to achieve this kind of detail. And it's something that you can't buy from Chanel, you can't buy from Louis Vuitton, or if you can, I definitely haven't seen anything like this anyway. So for me, just because it's quite a unique piece, but also one that's going to be very versatile, I decided to go for it. But yeah, I cannot wait to see what you think. Is she a keeper? Or am I going to return it now that I've seen this bag in real life and had a chance to have a bit of a play with it and try it on with my wardrobe? I think I'm very confident right now that this bag is a keeper. She was quite the investment. Lady Dior bags are. I got this just before the price increase, so it was 3,000. I wish it was 1,000. It was 3,700 prior to the price increase, and it only went up £100. I say only, you know, £100, but I mean in this like a percentage, that isn't that much. The other Lady Dior's got hit pretty hard, like the like a normal leather version, not this diamond motif. They went up about £300 to £400, I believe, and this one only went up 100, which I thought was quite strange because this was actually more expensive than the normal one originally, and then now that has shifted and this is cheaper. So if you're debating one and you like the look of this, I have popped a link down below to this Dior bag, and I would definitely grab it before there is another price increase, or if they decide to like stop selling it, because I don't know if whether they'll keep selling the diamond motif stuff or not, but they definitely seem to have quite a lot in store. They have it in pink, they have it in blue, but it was always the black for me. I would never go for the blue or the pink. I just really don't like them that much, but the black one I think is so gorgeous, so edgy, and I think she's a keeper. There is one thing that is actually really annoying me about this bag though, okay, and it is the strap. It is a strap, and it is these initials, the like charms that you can put onto the strap here. If anyone else has an ABC Lady Dior, please let me know, because I find I've got the B on here, but I cannot get the letters on. Like, I'm actually going to have to force it onto the leather. I don't know how I'm going to do that now, and I do feel like there will be some damage to the leather as well. And I'm not sure if you can see this, but the B has actually scratched a line into the leather. Can you see that? I'm not too sure, but it has, because it's kind of like scraped across the leather there. So I'm actually finding this super frustrating because I want to put my initials on and see what it's like, but I don't want to ruin it at the same time. So I need to figure that one out. Make sure you don't forget to use your 12% off site-wide code on LilySilk, guys, to celebrate their 12th anniversary. I'll flash it again on the screen down below. There are so many incredible pieces on their site. Thank you so much, LilySilk. It's a pleasure to work with you again. Make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next, I will link my latest video release here for you and over here. Why you should never wear designer to the workplace. My story and some of yours as well. Enjoy.